Hi, I'm the guy with pie, and today I'm going to be talking about bird's eye vegetables. When KidzVuz asked me to talk about vegetables, my reaction was something like, then I realized I got to pick my own vegetables, and I was like, and then I tasted them, and I was like, alright, so I'm one of those kids who never really wanted to eat their vegetables and never really got away with it either. Like, never had a dog to feed it to. When I was little, this was literally the only broccoli that I would eat. When I eat broccoli, I like to put Parmesan cheese on it. Doctor! He's dying! He needs mouth to mouth! He's dead, Jim!